Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to be flipping through the new Happy Journal. It's a guided Happy Journal, and it's Disney themed, Minnie and Mickey. So if you'd like to see that, keep watching. Okay, so the Happy Planner sent me a whole bunch of stuff the other day, and I've been doing flip throughs. I also have an unboxing video of my Squad Mentor box, so if you'd like to see that, I will link in the description box below. As of today, when I'm filming this, I do not know yet where all these products and when they will be available. So as soon as I find that out, I will put it in the description box. Anyway, this is an 80 sheet guided Happy Journal, and it is a Minnie and Mickey, and it's all about goals and positivity. So let's see what we've got here. First off, the cover has like some gold foil on it. It says always find something to smile about, and we have black plastic discs. All right, let's check it out. So as always, you've got your, excuse me, whoa, froggy. As always, you have your welcome page here, your little page describing the layout. This says goals and positivity layout, and it says weekly and daily prompts help with self-reflection, or feel free to get creative and write on your own. Okay, so this first divider is Mickey, and it says start your day with a dance party. I love the reds and the black and whites of the Minnie and Mickey products so much. And then over here we have little Mickey heads just like on this cover here, and it says oh boy, what a wonderful day. That's so cute. Okay, so this is undated, so you can pick and choose. You can do it like for the whole what is this, like 4 months, or you can just do like a week when you feel like it. You don't have to do it every week. But yeah, it's just something that's going to help with your goals and challenges and, all of that. It's like a wellness kind of thing. So up here we have week of, and then you're just going to fill that in. There's a little Mickey up there. List out 3 things that are making me feel comforted, inspired, and happy. 2 actions I can take to achieve 1 goal this week. Okay, so there's your goal, and then there's the 2 actions you'll take. What challenge lies ahead this week? How can I overcome it? List out people who are supportive of me. I think that's really important to remind yourself of that. All right, so that's your weekly page, right? You have like a weekly summary page, and then it goes into each day. So this is a daily planner. So we have what was the best thing that happened today. Oh my gosh, I love this. It says today's mood, and you're going to circle the one that you're feeling. Today, for me, today I feel like this one, this Minnie, because I only got 3 hours of sleep, but maybe later, maybe tomorrow I'll feel like this Minnie. Who knows? How I showed kindness to others and myself. Small victories, songs making me feel happy. That's cool. I like that a lot, because then it's like a reminder. You can go back in your playlist and play a song that makes you happy. I have a happiness playlist on my Spotify, and I love listening to that when I'm feeling kind of down in the dumps. And look at Minnie here hanging out right there. Also, this is where you're going to put today's date. I didn't say that before. And so this one's different. It says something that made me laugh today. What did I learn today? Small victories again, and what I'm feeling grateful for. They're all a little bit different. What challenges did you face today? How I showed kindness to others and myself. What is inspiring me today? And then what was exciting about today? What did I learn today? And ways I can spread happiness. Love that one. What was your favorite thing about today? How I showed kindness to others and myself. Words to describe yourself today. What are you most proud of today? What did I learn today? And I feel most energized when. What made you feel accomplished today? How I showed kindness to others and myself, and ways to take time for myself. So this is, important to remind yourself of things that are important in your life and ways to improve your life. So this is something that you can fill out and then look back upon. I think it's important to go back and check out, how you're feeling and what was going on, and then see throughout the journal, like, your progress. I don't know. I think it just helps writing things out, at least for me. So this last page, we have like just a dot grid filler paper page. Oh, wait, okay, then it goes right back into the second week. And then you have a blank page here. So I guess that's what it's going to be like. Because like this one, you've got your divider. So you've got that weekly page there. But I guess going forward in this month, you're going to have the weekly page on the left and the dot grid paper on the right. So it's basically going to go through this same deal again for the following week. And then we're going to have 4 weeks here. And then one piece of note paper in the back, and then it's double-sided. And then we go into the next month. Now, like I said, you don't have to do this every week or even every day. That's the beauty of an undated journal, like guided journal, because you can just choose when you want to do it. If you don't feel like writing in it that week, don't. It's yours to make what you will. So this divider is Minnie, and it says, always be true to you. She's so cute. I love this periwinkle blue color. I think it's so pretty. And then on the back, we've got more Minnies with her little bow. And this is going to be the same thing every month, so I'm not going to flip through that again. And there's Mickey. And Mickey heads. And then a big Minnie. I think these are so cute, aren't they? I just love the colors and how, I don't know, the contrast. I just think it's so cute. And there's little mini bows. And then back here, we're probably just going to have filler paper in the back, but let's check it out. Yeah, so one more sheet of filler paper back there. And then it says live creatively. And then the back cover looks like this. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So there we have it. You have 80 sheets of note paper, 4 dividers, and it's classic sized. So it's really sized perfectly, in my opinion, for this type of thing. And it's just going to focus like so much on positivity in your life and achieving your goals. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and stay tuned for more flip throughs. Like, I got a whole bunch today. So check those out. All right, see you soon. Bye.